Love yourself enough to enjoy being yourself. Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to create frequency polygon. We are provided with a question, class and frequency. Changing the page layout to 75% and putting tick mark on grid lines, heading, print. It shows dotted line, and dotted line means that you should not cross the line while doing your assignments. You can see that I have written the question which I will be deleting sooner. This is just to show you. And let's start. We have class frequency which is given, and LCV, UCV. We have to write LCV first, LCV and UCV. And mid value and frequency. You can see that I have not written mid value and frequency in the same line as class frequency, LCV, UCV title. Make sure that you write it above, one line above, for mid values and frequency. To write class, writing 5 to 5-10 will change into date. So to avoid it, we use apostrophe sign, then write 5 to 10, do the same, apostrophe 10 to 15. And for writing, I will be copying from here, Control C for copying and Control V for pasting. You should type it. And for the frequency also, I'll be selecting the frequency values, copy, Control C, and click on the desired location and click on Control V. For calculating LCV and UCV, we will be using shortcut way, that is, first select the class values from A4 to A9, click on data, then on text column, and click on next, click on others and write the hyphen sign on the box alongside, click on next. On the destination column, delete it. If your data is overlapped, drag it to the other side, drag this wizard, and on the destination select on the LCV first line, that is C5 in this case, click on finish. Now you can see that we have our lower class value and upper class value. Midpoint, yes, the in between value of lower class and upper class. So in order to write formula, we write equals to at first, then select the LCV. Before it we use bracket sign, LCV plus UCV first line, that is D5, bracket close, then divide it by 2. Click and enter. To copy the formula downwards, select on the value which we just calculated, that is E4. On the right corner, when you can see the plus sign, we click on the mouse button and drag it downwards. And to copy the frequency, we just select the data, frequency data, Control C and Control V to paste. And we are almost done. Before that, we need to write in the frequency column, we need to write 0 on the first and on the last as well. And in the mid value column, make mid value column first and last. Make sure that you use LCV first value, that is 5. 5 is the smallest of all. Write 5, and at the end of the M mid value, write the highest class, that is 35, and select the data and click on home button, borders, all border to make it more presentable. And now using this data we have to create frequency polygon. Just select on frequency, new frequency, not the world one. Click on new frequency. Now we can delete our question. No borders. You don't have to do the step twice. You can directly make this table with class frequency LCB, UCB, M and value. Make sure to have extra column for M and F. Now to draw frequency, select the new frequency, values from 04, which is F3 to F10. Click on insert, scatters. No. We are not using scatter, we are using line, then line with stack line with a stack line with markers, a stack line. This is option number 2, 2D stack line, and choose the design style, layout, and we don't have the access title on the side. Click on the layout, click on the layout. On clicking layout, click on the axis title. What do you want, horizontal or vertical? We want horizontal. Title with axis, and change, select on the series, delete it from the keyboard. Now we have to change the start title. You can see that I have changed this title and this is not changed. We don't know where this value came from. It randomly gave a number. We have to change this number on the horizontal axis by the mid values we have, and in order to do so, click on the graph, right click and right click on the graph, click on select data and click on edit on the horizontal axis category. Click on axis level range, which is mid value, that is E3 to E10. Click on OK. Now you can see that mid value, that is axis, horizontal axis has already changed. Click on OK, and now click on the lines and delete by using backspace. Now we can change this axis title, double click, single click on it and change it by mid value. Resize it. Now you just have to resize it and drag it to the desired location. And one thing is, do not cross the dotted line. That's it. Thank you, and don't forget to save. Control yes.